Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel Nandan Tutorials. Today let me discuss a new topic is how to square a number ends with 1 or starts with 1. Means a number starts with 1 means 11 square, 12 square, 13 square up to 19 square, right? Ends with 1 means 91 square, 81 square, 71 square up to 11 square. Means here what is square means any number multiplied with the same number. Let a be a number, so a should be multiplied with a, called a square, right? Let me take an example. Example number 1, let it be 11 whole square. We have to multiply 11 with 11, so 11 into 11. In first step we have to put 1 because the numbers starts with 1, right? So 1 into 1 is 1. In second step we have to add 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1. In third step we have to multiply 1 into 1, right? Here the solution is 1, 1 plus 1 is 2, 1 into 1 is 1. So the answer is 121. Let me take another example for easy understanding. Let me take 14 whole square. Here the first 14 into 14. The first step is we have to put 1. In second step addition. So 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4. In third step, which is multiplication, 4 into 4. Here is some difficulty. 1, 4 plus 4 is 8. 4 into 4 is 16. Right? Here 1 is carry. So we have to write 6 and 1 is carry. So we had to add 1 to the next number. 8 plus 1 is 9 and we have to write 1 here. So 196. Okay guys, let me take another example. Let it be 17 whole square. Right? Here the first step is we have to write 1 and second step we have to add 7 plus 7. In third step 7 into 7, right? Here 1, 7 plus 7 is 14, 7 into 7, 7 sevens are 49, right? We have to write 9 here and 4 is carry. We have to add 4 to the 14, so 18, 8 and 1 is carry. So we have to add 1 to another one, which is 2. 17 whole square is 289. Hope you understand this trick. And let me take another number which is ends with 1. Let me take example number 4. Let it be 21. 21 whole square. For the number starts with 1, means 11 square or 12 square. The steps are, first step is we have to write 1 and second step is addition, right? And third step is multiplication. Here, so here the process is reverse, means number ends with 1 is we have to do the first step is multiplication, right? 2 into 2, it is the first step, and second step is addition, so 2 plus 2, and the third step is we have to write 1, right? So 2 into 2 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4 and 1, so 21 whole square is equal to 441. Okay guys, hope you understand. And let me take example number 5, and let me take a large number which is 91 whole square. Okay, so 91 into 91. For the first step we have to do 9 into 9 multiplication, and in second step 9 plus 9 which is addition. In third step we have to write 1. Okay, 9 nines are 81, 9 plus 9 is 18, and 1. So here we have to write 8 here, and 1 is carry, it should be added to another number. So 1 plus 1 is 2 and 8 is remaining. So 91 whole square is 8281, right guys? Let me check. 91 into 91 which is 8281. Okay, here first of all we have to remember the techniques. By using these techniques we have to save time in competitive exams, and squaring or multiplication in normal schooling method is somewhat difficult, right? From Vedic maths trick it is very easy for us to do calculations and multiplications. So hope you all enjoy this video, and if any doubts are there, please do comment, and please do subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get immediate notifications. Thank you for watching this video.